So this is my video today, guys. Really quick one. As you can see, this wax is stuck down on the tympanic membrane here, right at the bottom of the ear canal. So welcome to day 6 of Waxvent as well, guys. So we've got, we're both flashy there. We've got some new headgear being sent to us. Look at this bad boys. And
flashy.
I know, mine does flash, I think. You press the button. You can see I'm just getting this out. Oh, no, I turned it off. There you go, look at that. So we're just getting this bit off the eardrum there. It came out really, really easily.
We do have some longer ones in there. It's not
There are, yeah. We've just run a short one so far, but the eardrum looks absolutely fab. And I got a good quarter of an inch on that one.
1 centimetre?
1 centimetre.
That's literally all I've said. The video is 1 centimetre.
It's actually our Christmas do tonight, so we're out tonight. So I'm kind of glad it was a short one to voice over because we can go home and get changed. So guys, we shall see you for day 5. Not day 5, that was yesterday.
Day 7.
Day 7, thank you very much. Day 7 of Waxvent. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. And we shall see you again real soon. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.